Hi friends, I'm over here in our science center to talk to you about wind and air again, and we're going to do a little bit of experiments with how we can tell the air is here. And I know one way we could tell, I'll show you, I have my hair down today, when the wind is moving something or when it's pushing on you, you can feel it and you can see that it's moving things. You can't see the air, but you can see the things that it's moving. And another way is that you can trap it. So I have this balloon and I'm going to use my pump because I don't want to exchange any germs. Now if you have balloons at home you can do this with. Talk to mom and dad about whether they want to use their mouth to blow it up or a pump, okay? My pump works really well. So I know now my balloon is full of air. I trapped it inside. Now I could tie a knot on the end and keep the air inside. But I'm gonna let the air come out and we'll see what happens when all of this air has to squeeze out the hole. We'll see. Whoa, my balloon just flew away. It landed over in the art area. Hold on, I'm gonna go get it. Let's try that again. I'll see if I can back up a little bit this time so you can get a really good view of the balloon launching. So that's another sign of wind or air as force. The air is squeezing out of that little hole, and as it comes out this way, it's pushing the balloon in the other direction. Ready? Here we go. I'm going to back up so you can really get a good view of it launching. Here it goes. I landed on the big carpet. Let me go get it. All right. When I was going to pick up the balloon from the carpet, I had another great idea. Let's see if the balloon can propel more than itself. So I have it here taped onto this straw, and I have a string here that I have actually put from one end of the room, to the other side. And we're gonna see when I blow this balloon up, what happens. Here we go. Okay, let's do just a little one and see what happens. I'm going to take it all the way to the wall and let it go. Whoa. It did not even need too much air to make it all the way to the other side of the room. Let's bring it back and try one more time. So if you want to do this at home, if you have all these parts, you can experiment with maybe if you have different types of balloons, if the shape changes it. You can, sometimes I like to add a little decoration on the top of my straw. I'll put like a little paper airplane or a little bird so it looks like the bird's flying across. If you want to add some decorations. Oops, I meant to make this one smaller. We're going to make this one a little bit smaller and see if it'll still reach the other side. So now it doesn't have as much air, and my hypothesis is that it won't travel as far. Maybe it won't travel as fast. Let's see what happens. Well, it really did not travel as far. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Hope my tape holds on. All right, here we go. We have to figure out exactly how big we need to make it, how much air we need to get to the other side of the classroom. That is pretty big, and for those of you that don't know, Miss Laura has a pretty big fear of balloons, so this is me being brave. Here we go. I think that's enough to make it to the other side. Let's see. Ah! Almost, but we lost our balloon. That's okay. We can just add a little bit more tape and try again. Get set, go! Woo!
Try again.
How can we make it go farther?
I'll make it really, really big.
We need more air inside, right? Okay, let's do it. We have more air, and let's see if it goes farther. Go ahead, let it go. Whoa! It went all the way to the wall. Nice work, Trev. Right. We added a little more tape this time because it was starting to come off. And now we're gonna launch it down that way. Let's see what happens. Ready, Trev?
Ready?
On your mark, get set, go. It went all the way to the other side.
Oh, cracking.
It's cracking? That's the sound of the tape, I think, peeling on the balloon.